Hi, good day. My name is Kristen Samra, and today I'm going to be making a video on implementing VPN solutions. So, where I'm going to start off first is in my server manager. I'm going to add roles. I'm going to click next. I'm going to see network policy and access services. I'm going to check it and I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next again. I'm going to check network policy server and routing and remote access services. I'm going to click next. Gonna click install, and then when it's finished, I'll close. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my admin tools. Gonna click routing and remote access. I'm gonna click server PC local. And I'm going to right click on it and click configure and enable routing and remote access. From there I'm going to click next. Since I only have one network adapter, I'm going to click custom configuration at the bottom. And I'm going to click next. I'm going to select VPN access, because that is what we're doing in this video. And I'm going to click next. I'm going to click finished, then OK. And I'm going to start my service since it's ready. Okay, finish. Now I'm going to go into server PC again, right click on port, the second one down, and I'm going to go into the properties. From in there I'm going to right click on mini port, the first one, SSTP, and I'm going to change maximum ports to 25. And I'm going to click yes. Gonna do the same thing for L2TP, the fourth one, and I'm going to change it to 25 as well. Gonna click yes. Okay, so now I'm going to click OK and close that window. I'm going to go back into my admin tools, network policy server. I'm going to go in to my policies, the third one down. I'm going to right click on it Okay, and I'm gonna click configure network policies, the second option. We're gonna create a policy, so I'm gonna right click on network policies, click new, and a window is gonna show up so that we can create our policy. I'm gonna name it something VPN like, so maybe VPN policy. Okay, I'm gonna open this drop down menu and I'm going to click the third one, dial up, VPN dial up, and I'm gonna click next. Okay, I'm gonna click add at the bottom there, and a list is gonna pop up for me to choose my conditions. So I'm gonna choose tunnel type, which is all the way at the bottom. Scroll. Okay, I'm gonna click tunnel type, gonna click add, gonna check L2TP, which is the third option, and I'm going to do point to point, which is underneath L2TP. And I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click next. Next again. I'm going to uncheck everyone except for the very first option. So I'm taking off user can change password after it's expired and Microsoft encrypted. So I'm leaving just the first option, the very first option checked. Gonna click next on that. Okay, I'm gonna set some restrictions on when the user can log into my VPN. So I'm going to click date and time restrictions. Go into there, check allow access only on these days and at these times, and I'm going to click edit. Get that all the way. Okay, I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to set it maybe for Sunday to Saturday, 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, and I'm going to click OK. Gonna click next. Gonna go on encryption at the bottom there. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to uncheck everyone but the third option, which is the strongest encryption, 128-bit. Gonna click next, and then I'm gonna be finished with this part. Okay. So now we're gonna add a client machine to the VPN, which should be really easy. It's not gonna take long. I'm gonna go into my Windows Vista to do this. Okay, gonna go start. Connect to. Gonna click set up a connection or network. Okay, I'm gonna use connect to a workplace, which is the last option. Click next. Gonna use my internet connection VPN. First option. Gonna set up the connection later. So I'm gonna put in my IP address of the server 2008, which is 192.168.0.1. Gonna add a destination name. Okay, and then I am going to click next. I'm going to use a username, which is administrator, capital A. And then I'm going to put in the password for that. Then I'm going to click create. Okay, so its connection is ready, so I'm going to close it, go in Network and Sharing Center. I'm going to go into my VPN, which you see right there. I'm going to click connect. We're going to enter the same password we just entered for administrator, and then going to connect it. Gonna save the username and password so that we won't have to do it again to come back when we come back. Okay, to open up the server PC and go back into ports. From ports, gonna right click and go just open it up. I'm gonna check, see all of these statuses are inactive, but we just need the one that is for the VPN active, which is PPTP. And as you see, that is the one that is active. So our VPN is up and running, and that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.